Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit short video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application and I'm going to show you how you can create short video using InShot. What I mean by the short here is the YouTube short guys. So I'm going to show you how you can create short using InShot. Okay, first of all guys, you can create new project on InShot and then you're going to click on new and you can choose a video or some videos that you want to create short. And for the video, I'll go with video from my download album. I'm going to choose this video. Well, to edit this short, actually it depends on what kind of short that you want to upload. And for me, I'm just going to create like velocity short. So I'm going to play around with the speed of this video. So this is the original video. And then I'm going to go to the speed menu. Okay, and I'm going to go to the curve. And I'm just going to make it like this. Okay, and then I'm going to make it smoother. Okay, and click on the check mark. And here is the thing guys, if you want to create video for your short, make sure that you choose 9:16 ratio so it can create portrait ratio. Okay, wait, I'm going to select the canvas. Okay, make sure that you choose this ratio 9:16. Okay, and then the slow motion has been applied, and then I'm going to go back and let's see how it looks. It will be like this guys, and then we can add music and then add filter, or it's up to you, it depends on you. And I'm going to add filter to make it more dramatic. I'm going to go to the filter and then I'm going to choose, let's try this one, or wait, let me select vintage. Okay, vintage. Okay, this is better. And for YouTube short, you can add music as the background, but be careful of the copyright. And for the music, I'm just going to use music from my device. I'm just going to pick random music. Wait. Okay, I'm going to select this music. And once you're satisfied with your short, you can click on export and then choose the resolution here. You can choose 4K and you can export your short. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create short video using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.